This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.1 is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 5, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, awning, refrigerator, LP detector, TV, Slideout, microwave, and 42-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24.1 is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.